Let me introduce you to the basics of cloud computing. Before we get details of these topics, let's cover some important background that will help you understand why cloud technology is so valuable. Let's start with something we all use, right? Websites. Think about how they work. You, as a client, right? Web client, want to view a website, and there is a server somewhere holding that website, and you need to actually connect to that server. For that, we need a network. So this network connects the web client to the server. Your browser sends a request through this network, and the server sends back what you asked for, and you will see the website at our end, right? At the web client. It's like sending a letter in the olden days. You're the client writing a letter. Your request is in the letter. The postal service is your network. And your friend's house, if you think, is the server. Just like you need addresses on letters, computers also need IP addresses to find each other, right? So if we go into what's inside a web server, it has CPU, the brain that does calculations. It has a RAM for quick access memory. It has storage for keeping files long term, and also a database for organizing data so it's easy to find, and a networking equipment to connect with other computers. Think of it like your brain, right? The CPU does the thinking. The RAM is like your short term memory. Storage is more like writing things down to remember later. Before cloud computing, companies would start always small, maybe with a server in someone's garage, like Google did, we all knew, right? So, as they used to grow, they used to add more servers, leading to several problems. They would need special rooms like data centers to hold these servers together. They had to manage the power and cooling for these data centers, and also equipment is used to maintain. Several equipment was needed, and adding new servers always took more time, and space was limited, right? Space is limited to whatever servers that were added to this particular in-house data center. And they also needed 24 bar 7 IT support always, so there used to be a small IT department to help these in-house data centers, right? Natural disasters, if they occur, they could have wiped everything out. So this is where cloud computing comes in. It solves all these problems by letting companies use someone else's servers instead of managing their own. In this series, we'll understand how this works in detail, right? Let's try to dive deep into this and subscribe to the channel to know more.